This is WeMake, bringing to you a simple paper flapping butterfly. You can make a paper butterfly come alive just by pushing the two ends of a clothespin together. It's a simple project anyone can make. You don't need any more than watercolor paints, a paintbrush, a hot glue gun, a clothespin, cardstock, paper strips, a ruler, a pencil, and scissors. First, we're going to take our piece of cardstock, 10 centimeters by 7 centimeters, going to fold it in half, going to put our butterfly template around this, going to trace it, we're going to cut it out. Now here's the fun part, we get to paint our butterfly. We're going to draw lines like this, and we're going to fold it up like this. So now, these are the wings and this is the body. And then we're going to take our hot glue, and we're going to put it here, put our strip of cardstock here, like that. We're going to do the same for the other side. Where our butterfly really begins to take shape. First, we're going to take a bit of hot glue, put it here, like that. Then we're going to take our antenna and put them on in a V shape, so that they resemble the butterfly's head. Now, we're going to take our hot glue again, going to make one long strip of hot glue like this. And put our butterfly on. Finally make our butterfly flap. So first, I'm going to take our hot glue, put a bit over here, like that. We're going to do the same on the other side. All we need to do now is cut the ends off. Now that's done. Look, our butterfly flies. All I'm doing is pressing the ends together of the clothespin. Look at how our butterfly flies.